Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in University Park in Dallas, Texas, where we just got through partially fixing a basement. They asked us to come in and solve the major issues, which it seems that most basement companies have not been able to understand, which is where the water's coming in from and what they can do about it. So what we did was we removed all the sheetrock so we could see the drip marks on the wall, as you can see here and around. And then we sealed the spots that look like someone came in and waterproofed before, mitigated so you can see all the white down at the bottom of the studs, and that is where all the mold was removed in the room. And there's gaping holes in the top of the ceiling over here. There's a unique situation over here, which is, you see these big cutouts? These big cutouts are for framing. Those are 2x4 studs in there that is braced from upstairs. And as you can see those large drip marks, those drip marks are coming in from outside. And that is unique because you would think that that's the exterior wall outside. It isn't. That is on the inside of the house. So water is sliding in up under the foundation and entering this basement here. So they're under the belief that waterproofing can fill in those gaps alone. And I don't believe so. So this is where our job ends. Tells they get a chance to see a major rain after they fill it in. But we do not do halfway work, and I know that since that's on the interior, that is going to leak. That's going to need to be, the wood is going to have to be sealed, and then it's going to have to be protected and then grouted, and then waterproofing will close that area up. But due to the fact that we don't have access to that opening on the other side of the wall, like we would someplace else, we're going to need to waterproof the walls properly, and then seal the wall, and then put in some type of drain system, because if it drips, it's going to drip down on the floor. So right now is the perfect time to remove those studs, put in a drain system, and seal the walls to the floor 100%. So right now they would like to see it on their own, so we are in no rush for them to see it. We installed 2 dedicated lines for our dehumidifier, our backup, and our inverter, and a high water alarm. So we put in a very nice, good sump. They had 1 horsepower pumps. The pumps kept overheating, shutting off, and the room would flood. So the room flooded for multiple reasons, but it's just, the problem is a general contractor is over here trying to figure out what a basement needs, and they are the wrong one to figure it out. They put in the wrong pumps, they put in the wrong backups, they put in the wrong dehumidifiers. You know, these large units here are just really unnecessary. You see there's 3 of them on the floor. That 1 unit will do all the work of these 3. So now they can maybe take them back or get rid of them. I do not know, but you don't want to be under this situation. You want to make sure that you have dedicated circuits. And you see the box up at the top of the wall, everything is tied in. So now that we've seen it, we are done for the day. Let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.